Welcome guys, let's start to design this complex part in Catia software. So actually this is model of one Flywheel. Here you can see this isometric view of this Flywheel, and these are some mounting supports, and let's start to do this tool drawing for this part. So actually you can see these are some tool drawings for this part. All section views are shown here, and all orthorhombic views are shown here, and all dimensions also are shown, and with some detailed views of this mountaining support. So let's start to design this part in Catia software. So first of all, open Catia, go to start mechanical design and part design. Give an image fly v, and as usual we are not using this three plane to make our. Just wait to come this, and now yes, and actually we are not using this plane, so add this three plane and create one point here, just act as origin, and, and make sure to create this point in this geometrical set only, and press OK here. Now insert axis 16 to this point, and now let's start to design this part. So make sure you are in part for your define your object. And now let's move towards this part 2D sketches. You can see this we have to create first. Let's make some zoom this part. So let's start to design these 2D sketches first of all. So to sketch this, go to sketch positioning here and select this Z-Y plane. Origin as this projector point. Orientation should be parallel to this line. And let's start to design this part. So actually we have to see from here to here, make this rough sketch first. This is inclined line some more. And draw this like a sketch which is rough to the sketch we have to create first, and then we can give dimension afterward to this part. This like rough sketch we have to create first, and then we can give some dimension to this part. Now make sure to complete this full sketch and exit this parallel command. And now let's start to do dimension to this. Angle between them here is 68, so on center this command half of 68 means 34, and same this also is same angle we have to do. is 68. Not 68, half of 68. Next 34. Now let's start to do damage onto this wall. You can see from here, dimensions are given, and you can see the total diameter value is given here, and we have to make half of this. So put value first of 1.4 but now let's start to do next dimensions. This dimension you can see here. Now you can see this is 1 on this to this, it is half of 1.4, and for this bottom 1.4. Half of 1.4 we have to do. And now let's move to next. On this we can give 230. Means 115 come, and for this upper 156.5. Half of 156.5 and half of this 156.25 can have 78.5. And now let's move to our next. We have to do this also. So this is 163. So give half of value of this total value. So this 163.8. This come as you can see 81.9. Let's move to this next. You can see this is 9.5. Total height of this is actually we have to create another line here. For this line you can see the details values are given. FT is here. So we have to create one line here like this. An angle between them is 160. And total height of it is 0.5. And total length is also given here, you can see 102. 102 is 51, and now use quick trim from here. Trim this unwanted line. Now make sure to complete this sketch from here. And now let's start to do our next dimensions. Angle between them is here it is given, I think. From here to here it is 102. So from vertical center it is coming half of 102 is 51. Now let's start to give from these dimensions. So I can go to this section. So you can see from here distance is 270. 270.6 by 2. For here also 282. So half of 282 which is 141. And for this also the value is given as 2946. Two 294.6 by 2. From here to here we can see distance value into blue as 115. This is 18, 19, 19.8. From this is present at 27.5. And for this is 2.5 plus 45 angle. From here to here make it horizontal. This value is 2.5. Angle between them is 45. Come somewhat here up. And now the total angle which is we have to do total distance. You can see this to this it is 41. As from this and from this to this we have to go as 41. Now make complete this by go to first of all 3. Now select this and make this sketch fully constrained. Now you can see the sketch is fully constrained now. Now exit is to the sketch or again from here. Now make sure to that you are in part 40 define work object, and now use sharp command here and select this 2D sketch first of all, and make sure to select axis as this Z axis. So right click to this selection and use Z axis here. And make sure your first angle is 360 and now make it preview and press OK. And now you can this and now you can look at this. Actually, we have created this part by using this part. Now let's start to create this inside hole first. Here you can see these holes we have to create. The diameter value for this hole is 39. So let's go to hole command and select this face. And make sure that this point of this circle, point of this hole is coincident to this origin of this point, and use here up to next. And we know that diameter value we have to give as 39. Now make it preview here and press OK. Now let's start to give this other hole, and that hole you can see here. And now let's start to create this hole. So go again hole command here and select this face and go to positioning sketch here and let's start to give dimension to this hole. Actually you can see the pitch circle diameter is given here, I think, and yes, you can see this pitch circle diameter is given at here. So this circle is actually pitch circle diameter, and value for this diameter is given as 80. So let's start to create one circle here having diameter value is 80. But make sure where is our point. So actually we can't gain this point. Where it is our point? Yes, this point is here, I think. So go to again this, exit this hole command once again, and once again use this hole to get this proper hole first. Go to hole, select somewhat here. Now make sure to drag this hole somewhat here or here, and now go position sketch here. And now you can see this point is come somewhat here. And now create one circle here, and this circle is act as pitch circle diameter for this hole. The diameter for this hole it is given as 80. And now let's start to give. Make sure this point is intercept to this coincident to the circumference of this pitch circle diameter, and make sure to coincident on vertical axis also. Now as you just do this sketch properties, and now make sure what was the value for this hole. So the whole diameter of the hole is 11 mm, and this is up to next, present up to next here. Now make it preview here. Now press OK. And these we want 8 holes like this. So here you can measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So let's start to create 8 of these circles. So go to circular pattern here, give here instant value as 8, and select reference element as its z-axis. Now make your complete ground, make preview, and now press play. Now you can see actually we have created these holes, 8 holes by using this hole command and this circular pattern command. And the last things we have to create this part is actually we have to create these mounting features to this part. So this support we can create in our next video. So see you guys again in our next video. Don't forget to watch our next video. But before that we can give fillet value to this also. So come here some more this section, and now let's give fast lead fillet value to this. So select this fillet definition and select this upper part also and this second part also. Select this also, this also. Give here fillet value as 1. Select here fillet value as 1. Now make it preview here once again and go to again fillet value. Select this. Make sure to select only faces, not dates. Actually we can see that here some value we have to give again. Actually we can see some values we are missing to this sketch. I'm just going to give this first. So delete this first of all, this holes and page fillet, and again go to this sharp to the sketches. And you can see where mistake we have done. From this we have given value. This also actually we have given, I think. So make sure to delete this first. Delete this line also. And up to here one line is present, we know that. Create one another line from this. To here it is present. Now go to quick train, delete this line first. Now let's start to do dimension to this. So from this dimension is 275, half of 275 we have to give 275, make it half here. It's come at 137. Two. Make sure this should be coincident. And only this upper is remaining. So actually we know for this upper we have to left some value. This value is left. We have to think. Actually, we have to left value for this is up to, we have to left 10, means some more 15 value we have to left it. Not 15, we can take 12. Now I just do this sketch for me, and now I can see this part is updated automatically. Now let's start to give some fillet value to this. So go to again fillet here. Actually we know this, select this upper and this here fillet value we have used previously as 1. Now again go to fillet, this is 5, select this, give here as 5. Let's move toward this. Here we have to give 2 fillet value. So give first here 2 and select this edge. And inside also we have to give some fillet values. So we can see here we have to give fillet value as 5. And make it here, and here we have to do 50. Select this edge, give 50, and next we'll move towards the here. Let's check how much fillet we have to do here. Here you can see we have to do here fillet 5, sorry 4, and here 10. For this inside, here you have to do 5 and here again 10. Select again this and give here as a 5. Again select this, here as a 10. And let's move over this upper part here. Rotate this by using mouse, and for here it is 4 and here also 4. Select this and so on, this also, and give here value as 4. And now you can check, actually we have given the all fillet value to this part, and go to just smooth interior, and now you can see this all fillets we have given to this part. So in next video we can see how to create this mounting feature to this part. So don't forget to watch our next video for this part, and thank you for watching up to here. Welcome guys once again, and let's start to make our next part to this flywheel. Actually this video is a continuous of our previous video, and in our previous video actually we have completed this flywheel part up to here only, and let's start to create our next part to this flywheel. And the next part we have to create like this here. Actually you can see to the red like this structure to this flywheel at this upper face, and this part is called as mounting support. So let's start to create this mounting support in this video. Let's move to our dimension part for this, and actually you can see the dimension part for this is given here. So make it zoom to this some drawing. Let's start to create this flying mounting support to this flywheel. So here you can see up to here we have completed on our previous video. And for creating this mounting support, create one body here, insert from body here, and give here name to this body as mounting support. So change from this picture property and give here name as mounting support, and let's start to design this part in our Catia. So to create this, first of all, we are going to sketch positioning. Select this ZY plane here. Projector point is same. This parallel to this line. Let's start to design this part. And first of all, use your this visualization tab and create this first cut by sketch plane. So we can see this section view actually is come to this part, and this will easier to design this part in our this flat. Make it normal view to this, and let's start to create this part. Here we have to create this next structure first, like this. This is somewhat uptick upward and like up to here we have to create this sketch. Now let's start to give dimension to this. You can see this is 4.6 here. On top to here it is 6.9. And this fillet's value of this all radiuses we are giving at last, and actually we are not using this fillet value in these 2D sketches, and this fillet value we are giving at the final when this part is generated in our 3D model. And now let's start to give dimension. So dimension to here you can see dimension to this part are given here also. So this is 241.4. Select this vertical axis first. First of all, select this line. So we don't have the value between them is 241.6 and make it half of this. So now you can see here it's coming up to here. Let's check for the next what is value we have to do. So here you can see from this we have to go to 79.6. So select this. Go to 79.6 and make it half of this. This comes as 139 point something. Actually height for this part we can check here, it is 48.5. Select this first of all. Now select this and give here value as 48.5. Now I just complete this. Take this somewhat here. Now complete this by just clicking, make this rectangular structure and complete this part. Delete this part first and complete now from here to here. And let's check actually any value we have remaining or not. So this is given 6 and 4.9. From here I do we have to give value as 275. So give this, select this first. Now select this, and this is half of 275 we have to give here. And now let's exit it to the sketch workbench, and actually we have to give again value in here. So again go to sketch positioning, select this XY plane now. Now take projected point as this, current is parallel to this line. And now let's start to make our this next part. Make this reverse also. Press OK here. Let's start to design the next part of this. So here you can see our next part for this is we have to create this part. So let's start to create this part. So to create this part, let's just create one rectangle here. Make sure this is coincident to this upper part. Make it coincident here. This bottom also we have to make coincident to this. And now make it normal to this view. And now let's start to give some dimension to this. So here actually you can see 9 into 5 degree. Means this is actually we wanted to 5 degree. So take this line first. Create one this like line, somewhat inclined. And create one axis from here, and this axis is coincident to this vertical axis. And now let's start to give the what we call angle to this. From here to here, the angle between is 5 degree. So give here 5 degree. For this also give 5 degree from this axis. Now use a trim from this operation tab and complete this sketch. And now let's start to do the next part. To here, give here as a distance identify. Now exit this to the sketch workbench. And now we have to use solid combine command here, and now you can use solid combine this and this. Now make it preview here. Now press, and now you can see this part is created actually like this. And now actually we have to make this part combine to this part. So to combine this part and remove this unwanted material from, we have to make one thing. So right click to this mountain support and go to at this bottom and use here union intersect, and the trim we have to make for this mounting support from with this part body, and go select your faces to remove and select first face as this and just check we have to do this face also, this bottom face. I now make it to here. Now you can see this part is also removed. So exit this once again and again go to this mountain picture, go to union trim, faces to remove. You have to remove only this part. Now press OK here. Now make it this part isometric, and now let's start to do some dimension to this. Means we have to do this also. Now also you can see there is a hole, so to create hole go to hole command and select this face, go to position sketch here, and actually you can see this hole is present at circumference of this 260.5 pitch circle diameter. Now create one circle here, and distance diameter for this circle is given as 260.5 pitch circle diameter. And now make this hole, it's coincident to this. Make this, and also this is coincident to this vertical axis also. Now exit this 2D sketch workbench from this. Actually you can see it is not happen. So go again once again. Create this proper pitch circle diameter. Delete this first. Delete this also. Create one circle. And pitch circle diameter 260.5. Make sure center of the circle is coincident with center of this origin. Now you can coincident this point to this. Now exit this to this sketch workbench and make sure what is value for this is. Actually we can see this hole is I think counterboard or something. So select here depth value as 10. Actually we have to give a depth value as, make sure type should be countersunk here. Actually it is not coming hole perfectly, so go again once again this hole, select this face, go to sketch positioning first. Now you can see this is perfectly aligned to this. Now it is your hole. And give here, go to here type, select countersunk here. This angle should be 45. And depth only 1. And this reading has C rating 8. Now make it to. Now press OK. And this hole we found actually from this and now give some radius value we have to give here. So go to fillet here, select this or edges, give here value as well. Now also we have to give here also some values. So again go to fillet, select this, give here as a 3, and again select this upper edge, upper fillet, and select this bottom, give here as a value 1. And also we have to give edge fillet to this also. So here actually the fillet value we have to give as 5. So go to again fillet and select this edge. Let's give here 5. Make sure to select this proper edge, not this face. And same we want that other side also. Make sure to select only edge. And again go to edge fillet, select this, give here as a 3. And now you can see this mounting support is created, and this mounting support we have to create such like a 9 mounting support here. So to create this, go to circular pattern here, make sure to select current solid as the string, select this first of all, defining work object, and now you can see the string command. Now use once again this hold command here, sorry, this select this circular pattern here, and current solid as this mounting support, and we found this instance as 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 30 with 30 angles. So select here instant and total angle, instant and angle spacing, and 30 we have to give here. Next is we have to give this z axis. Now make it this isometric here, increase some instance. Now you can see we want this 3, don't want this. Now we want this 3, we don't want this. Now this is perfect, just press OK here. Now again go to this hole, we want this hole to make pattern here. Again go select to circular pattern and show the current object is this hole. Give here 13, reference as this, and deselect this and this. Now press OK here. Now I can see these holes are also created. Just we have to give some fillet also to this all. Now give fillet to this all. So select this edges only. And we have to select this all edges. Don't select these faces, so remove this face. Make sure to select only these edges. Again we have mystically select this face. This is lash. Now make it preview and now press OK. And like that you can see this part is created actually. It is all fillet value. Now we have to do this upper edges on fillets also. Let's start to do this also. Just double click to this. give this, select this all top faces of this, click this X again, this, this also now press OK, and last we have to give this as edges. So double click to this again, now get this all also, this all also we have to make, and like this you can see this part is created. Actually this flywheel part is created, this look like here you can see. So these mountaining supports are also completed here, and also this video is in here. You can see isometric view of this. So thank you.